What's up, everybody? It's your girl Ashley. I'm back with another video. Now, I just had to get this in while it was still fresh on my mind. This is going to be a little teaser video about a product that I'm going to be showing you today. I don't have time to do a full try because this will be my first time opening this, but I just wanted to get this amazing thing off my chest while it was still fresh. I just got home from the grocery store and there was a lovely little package on my front porch. And I don't know if you can see, oh my God, the Crayon Case. Now, I don't know if you've seen it in one of the other videos. Well, I only got like 3 of them up right now, but I am a big Crayon Case fan. I actually ran across it by accident looking at another MUH video, and they were talking about it, and I just had to get in on it. Of course, for all of you who may or may not know, well, in this day and age, you know, I'm a black woman, proud black woman, and I want to support black-owned businesses. So, of course, it made me happy to know that the Crayon Case is 100% owned and operated by strong women of color, Super. So, I just had to get on it. So, I am a loyal Crayon Case, or the Crayon Case customer, FL, for life, forever and ever, amen. So Crayon Case, baby, I love it because her brand is all about affordable makeup and cosmetics for women, you know, affordable cosmetics for women who just want to play around in makeup. You got these palettes out there, they're like $50 for like 8 colors and things like that. So I started off, I bought the matte book, was the first palette I bought. Well, actually I made the mistake of buying a knockoff Crayon Case palette, and I figured it out when I was looking at another makeup artist do a little tutorial on it, you know, doing a look with it. So technically the first palette I ever bought was the matte book. That was my first palette. And then, as luck would have it, well, you know, I've also got the new Rule palette. It's a palette of neutrals. I hardly use that because you know, unless I'm just going out real quick for the day, and I just want a little neutral, you know, nice neutral look. I have the Watch Me Blush palette. You know, yeah, I use that, baby. You know, you can create lots of different eye looks as well as blushes. I did a little today with that, and I mean, just on and on and on and on. I mean, this thing is jam-packed full. I got powder, I've got concealer, I've got color corrector, I've got sponges, I've got brushes, I've got, you know, highlighter, mascara, I mean, a contour palette, and it's very affordable. So, and I got my little backpack to put it all in. I mean, it's awesome. I love the Crayon Case. So of course, you know, you get it on her little mailing list, you text the code, you're on the mailing list, you get all the details. I follow her on Instagram, Facebook. So of course, when she debuted her last palette, it was the I believe it was like a notebook. Had a blush binder with her last product that debuted, along with some lipsticks and such. I couldn't see myself spending $45 on it. I mean, it's great. You can create a lot of eye looks with it, as well as blush looks. But I was pretty much content with my Watch Me Blush palette. So, and I can do a lot with the box of crayons, which it came back in stock for me at one point, and I was able to get the real deal box of crayons eyeshadow palette by Super, and the Crayon Case. So look at that. I mean, look at all these colors. Of course, yes, purple is my favorite color if you didn't know, so I'm almost at pan. But you can create so many great looks with this. The colors are pigmented, they're thick, they're creamy, the mattes are creamy, and the metallics are bold. So a little goes a long way with the box of crayons palette. So when I got a text message last week, because I'm on the mailing list to get alerts for new products, I decided that I was going to do my best to get this new palette, because as much as I love the box of crayons palette, I just had to get this, baby. The big box of crayons, 64 shades, hun. I mean, look at this. I mean, so you all are experiencing the unboxing right along with me. Like, come on now. Like, look at this. 64 shades. It says, color outside the lines. The box of crayons was a huge success. Now we introduce the big box. 64 shades of shimmers and matte eyeshadows that will help take your looks to the next level. Drop all your fears and color outside the lines. So I mean, this should, I mean, I'm excited right now. I'm excited. I mean, look at, I mean, the packaging alone makes you want it. You know, I'm a visual person and this catches my eye. This is great. It's, you know, without being overly complicated design, because you're not, you know, you want to make sure that what's inside is more valuable than what's on the outside, and the product is what it's all about, and you don't have to sacrifice, you know, creativity with the packaging, you know. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh my gosh, oh shucks. I mean, I'm gonna try my best not to get glare on this, but look at all of these shades. I mean, I'm about to take the plastic off this thing. I mean, I don't want to take it off right now. It's great. Look at these shades. Oh my goodness. I'm peeling this off for the first time. Oh my goodness. Look at these colors. Oh my goodness. Oh, smell a new product, baby. Oh my goodness. This just came out on Friday. I believe it was Friday. I could not wait. I could not wait to get my hands on this palette. Look at these colors. Look at that shimmer right there. And what I do like, you know, don't kill me if I'm wrong, Super, if you're watching, but her company is based out of New Orleans, Louisiana. And I love how these colors have, you know, names about, you know, like, you know, Louisiana, New Orleans. You got Morehouse, Lafayette, Red River, St. John the Baptist, St. James, St. Helena, you know, all these different names. It's so creative. Oh my goodness. And I'm a matte girl. I love mattes, but I'm going to stick my finger in one of these shimmeries. Look at this one. This color here is called Allen. I don't even know if you can see it from there, but it's like this shimmery black. Like, I'm just going to do a quick swatch. Oh my goodness. Like, look at that. Look at that. I mean, look at that shimmer in there. I mean, you probably can't see it that well but I mean, oh my God, it's got glitter in it. Oh my God, there's a color here called Cato. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing that. Look at that. Look at this now. Come on. Oh, look how pigmented that is. I only swapped my finger on it one good time. I mean, oh my goodness. And of course this Point Coupe is, I mean, calling my name. It's like the shimmery green. Oh my God, and it's so thick, baby. Oh my God, I was about to take the whole thing out of the pan. Oh my gosh, a little goes a long way. Look at that. Oh my Lord. This is awesome. I am so happy I got this palette. Oh my goodness. At first swatch, I will say this: the shades are like the chunky glittery shades. You know, they are kind of soft from first glance, but you know what that means. You don't need a lot. I mean, I'm getting glitter all over me. I'm wiping it all over me. But oh my goodness, look at these colors. I'm gonna have so much freaking fun with this. Oh gosh, I can't go on. I mean, you got these huge pans of matte colors in the center here. I mean, look at that. LaSalle, look at that. I mean, come on now. Come through, Super. Come on. That is just amazing. I am super excited about this palette, and I hope you all support Black businesses. Look out for my girl Super. I mean, she don't need you, but baby, she loves you, and I want you to try this. This is awesome. But yes, girl, give this a try. This is an awesome palette. Super keep coming through. At this point, I don't even care what you make. I will buy it. I am a Crayon Case customer for life, like I just said. So it's a great price point. 64 awesome pigmented shades in this big old box for about $55. I mean, I was looking at a Milk Cosmetics palette where you have maybe 12 shades in it, and it was $55. And now you can get this 64 shades for $55. This is what quality looks like. This is what it's all about right here. So, you know, if you want me to do a little test on myself, you know, I've already done a little, I'm already kind of styled up for the day. But if you want to see a video where I tried this, you know, just drop me a suggestion in the comments below. And, you know, I'll catch you on the next one. And I'm signing off for the day. Thank you so much for letting me swatch this with you today. And I wiped a little bit off of me just now, and it's still there. Look at that. Come on now. I'm glittery. I have a wedding to go to in a few weeks. This is going to be what I do my face with. I mean, this is bomb. This is like the greatest, newest addition to my Crayon Case collection. I will just keep buying it. I mean, this is great. Do yourselves a favor. Get in on this. This is awesome. I'm Ashley. This is Ashley Tested. I love you all. Have fun. Be safe out there. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.